Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install Python 3, 10 or newer, and create a virtual env so dependencies stay clean. Once done, prepare a focused dataset of labeled examples, aim for 1, 0, 0, 0 to 10, 0, 0, 0, and remove duplicates or corrupt rows. Make sure to initialize a Git repository and add a simple README and experiment tracking so you can roll back. This gets you working code, reproducible runs, and a dataset ready for modeling without wasted setup time. You then build and iterate. Pick a clear baseline, logistic regression for tabular or a small transformer for text, and implement it quickly. Next, engineer features. Normalize numeric inputs, one-hot categorical ones, or add embeddings. Validate every change with cross-validation so you know what helps. Once training, enable checkpoints, monitor training and validation loss, and use learning rate schedules and augmentation to stabilize learning. Make sure to log metrics and visualizations so you can compare variance, and you finalize by evaluating on a held-out test set and computing metrics like precision, recall, and F1, then inspect the confusion matrix for systematic errors. Once satisfied, optimize and export the model. Consider quantization or conversion to ONGs or TF-Lite for efficient deployment. If things go wrong, first check for data leakage, label noise, or distribution shift, because those issues masquerade as model failure. Finally, iterate, retrain with fixes, reevaluate, and redeploy only after metrics and robustness meet your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.